actually Gumoti district or je samungcholi tomoni TTDC hapang PWD roads and building ni ngai inke amuna singtini kai killa part tai Udaipur ni ba je Kakrabon part no nayen hini tini fungdoro phailika sini ani logi tongo executive engineer PWD assistant engineer tongo Gumoti ni tai sini journal ni chairman tongo Tajutis sini vice chairman tongo awi joint chairman tongo Darothin tahikena da subu tongo social worker tahikena sini joto adong na social worker tongbayo sini logi tai official so tongo JD ro tongbayo haiki sing puila Kakrabon ni je EMRS ni 100 seated boys hostel umno nai leke inke amun pore sing phai killawa pitrawa kaise community hall ni tamon 300 seated amno nai leke inke amuni pore ekalobbo bonai leke je lama ang tomoni blacktop lama samu awin tong ngetai te kesenge sports school jengna thang tong kilam saya amo tawok 16 tariko phaini 16 tariko mohar japai foundation stone bank hine nge te at last nge te kese community hall dong bagmawo ombo nai pileke ombo samu just big level starting te taw last tabu nge zonal phai sini sub zonal office building je construction starting nainoi omno sing naile pike oro na taw sing location on phai thak laijak nge omno tini phai khub khapurka karon ki samu je Kakrabon hoite shuru khai yang pitrao je community hall joto samu pray 50-60% paijak no samu aujang no o kom somoyo borok samu ase augri khemen bagi ang agency no hambairo tesini engineer rong no hambairo executive engineer no bongni chaitung moino samu augri tomo khub somoto koi mas mising no complete thane